Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and today we're making creme brulee with our Thermomix. Now, one of the reasons why I love making this dessert with Thermomix is because it does all the heavy lifting for you. It does the cooking and the measuring, everything. No need to worry about water splashing into your dessert from your water bath. None of that. Everything comes together beautifully with only 5 ingredients. We've got cream, vanilla, sugar, egg yolks, and to top it off for our beautiful glass topping is a little brown sugar. Once you've got all your ingredients together, it's time to make your creme brulee. Simply put all the ingredients into your Thermomix except for the brown sugar topping. And this starts with 400 milliliters of heavy cream, and then 70 grams of sugar. Add 8 to 10 egg yolks, about 170 to 175 grams of egg yolks. Since this is a vanilla creme brulee, we're gonna add just a touch of vanilla extract, which is about a teaspoon. I just measured with love. But if you really want to kick up your game, try using the seeds of one fresh vanilla bean pod, because not only does it really enhance that vanilla flavor, but the little seeds, oh, they're so cute. Now we're ready to turn the Thermomix on. We're going to set this to 15 minutes at 90 degrees Celsius. And that's it. No water baths needed. In 15 minutes, your Thermomix will cook your creme brulee to perfection, and you can pour it out and watch the magic as it happens. You know what I forgot to tell you? Add a little pinch of sea salt or kosher coarse salt, and that will balance out the sweetness of your creme brulee. I love that sound. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, creme brulee smells so good. So it may look a little on the runny side for creme brulee, but that's okay. You're gonna go ahead and pour it into your ramekins and then let this set up for 2 or 3 hours in the refrigerator or up to overnight. I love that sound. It's one of the best parts about creme brulee. All right, let's go ahead and crack into here. Nice. Oh my gosh, it is just pure glass. Oh my gosh, you are gonna love this. And I kid you not, making it with the Thermomix is completely 100% foolproof. So creamy, super smooth. You are gonna really enjoy this. So make sure you leave a comment, let me know if you have a Thermomix, if you've used them before, and stick around for some more videos, and I will see you soon. Thanks so much, guys. Bye-bye. And I'm in love. This is like one of those, I love you, where have you been all my life? Good.